Making a delicious veg sandwich is a simple and enjoyable process. Here's a basic recipe to guide you. Ingredients. 1. Bread slices, white, whole wheat, or any type you prefer. 2. Butter or margarine, optional. 3. Sliced vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, bell peppers, lettuce, etc. 4. Cheese slices, optional. 5. Condiments, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, etc. 6. Salt and pepper, to taste. 7. Any additional seasoning or herbs you like, e.g., basil, oregano, etc. Instructions. Prepare the vegetables. Wash the vegetables thoroughly and slice them thinly. You can choose any combination of vegetables you prefer. Remember to remove seeds from cucumbers and tomatoes to prevent the sandwich from becoming too soggy. Toast the bread, optional. If you like your sandwich toasted, you can spread butter or margarine on the outer sides of the bread slices and toast them on a griddle or in a toaster until they are lightly browned and crisp. Assemble the sandwich. Lay out one slice of bread and start layering the vegetables on top. You can place the cheese slices, if using, on top of the vegetables. Add condiments. Spread your preferred condiments, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, etc., on the other slice of bread. You can also sprinkle some salt, pepper, and any other seasonings or herbs you like. Put it together. Carefully place the condiment-covered slice of bread on top of the vegetable and cheese lie and start layering the vegetables on top. You can place the cheese slices to form a sandwich. Cut and serve. If desired, cut the sandwich diagonally or into smaller pieces. Serve immediately for the best taste and texture. Variations. 1. Grilled veggie sandwich. 2. Instead of using raw vegetables, you can sauté or grill them lightly to add a smoky flavor to the sandwich. 3. Avocado or hummus spread. 4. Replace or complement the condiments with avocado or hummus for a creamy and nutritious twist. 5. Vegan option. 6. Omit cheese and use plant-based butter and mayonnaise for a vegan-friendly version. Feel free to customize your veg sandwich with your favorite veggies, spreads, and seasonings to make it uniquely yours. Enjoy your wholesome and tasty creation.